Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry. And as you can see, I've got my Orbot machine sitting here, and I'm doing a little bit of a, well, I'm attempting to do a little bit of a maintenance thing on it, and it's actually been very frustrating. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys something for those of you who never opened one of these things up. I'm going to show you how you get at the counterweight here. The drive plate, of course, sits right here. And what you do is you undo your screws carefully, don't strip them out. I managed to strip one, so I'm going to be replacing a screw. And then what you will see is this sitting here. The reason I pulled mine apart is because I wanted to pull the plate off here and powder coat this, but I've been having a problem dealing with something here. I'll show you in a sec. Anyway, what you need to do is on the motor, top of the motor, here's the top of the motor right here. I've got it upside down, obviously. And on top of the motor, we have the motor cap sits on top of the motor onto the 3 screws that hold it in place, lift it off. You've got the cooling fan that sits on the top, and there's a little clamp holds it in place. You pull the clamp off, pull the cooling fan off. You got this out of the way, and then what you do is you get yourself some vice grips, and you put that on there. Clamp it on there nice and tight, and then you're going to grab this and you're going to back spin it, and it'll loosen off. It'll start coming off. There's a Allen screw right here, so the whole thing will turn and turn and turn and turn and turn and turn, and then it'll be off. And there's the whole assembly right there. 2 screws on the back side to undo. Hang on a sec. 2 screws on the back side that will undo this cap right here. This pulls off, and then this all comes apart here. You can replace that. I actually, many years ago, when I first got this machine, here's another view of it here. I actually had this fabricated because when the machine came, it was done incorrectly. I had this piece here fabricated. I had 2 of them made, and I had it made with a shoulder on it. You can see the shoulder right here. You can't see it on this side because it's on the other side, obviously. But anyway, that's something that I had fabricated, and it's been worked perfect ever since. The original way they had done it, they just pressed it through here, and they peened the edge over, and it was just really bad. It made for, obviously, a very weak design. I think this was one of the earlier Orbots, so I think they perfected it since then. I assume they did. But anyway, so I have an extra bearing all ready to go, and this thing's been going for years, and I've never had any problem with it, so I've never replaced this bearing, although I don't actually use this machine all that much. But anyway, so this is the back side. You undo those 2 screws, then this whole assembly comes off, and you can, this cap comes off of here, and then you can push the bearing out, press a new one in place, put it all back together. Really actually easy to get at and to deal with, so nice, compact, simple system. And this Allen screw, which is a little bit tight now, this will undo. I got this one hand. Can I get one-handed? Oh yeah, I should get two. Oh, going the other way. There we go. And that undoes. Now, you don't need to go as far as I'm going right now, but I'll just show you that this Allen screw just sits down inside here, and I have been trying to get this thing off, and I haven't been able to get it off because I can't pull the bottom plate off. I want to pull the motor out. It goes that way, but this thing has a flange on it, and it won't fit through that hole, and I haven't been able to get it off. So I may give up. Unless I can think of something. Oops, I'm putting it in upside down. Anyway, because I really wanted to, you can see the paint's peeling off. It's on the top side. There's paint peeling off too, so it's looking ugly. I wanted to clean it up and get it powder coated and make it look all spiffy, and they should have powder coated these from the factory. But anyway, that's what I've been doing, and if anybody has any suggestions as to how to get this thing off, tell me. I've put vice grips on there, the vice grips on the motor, top of the motor there, and I've tried going one way, going the other, and it just doesn't budge. I was wondering, is this going to pull off? I don't think it would, but I guess it could. If it does, it'll be really hard to get at it. Anyway, I put WD-40 all over it. I heated it up. I smacked it on the top. And it's no luck so far. Anyway, I'll let you go. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.